Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exclude locations in Google Ads. It's really easy to do. First of all, why would you want to exclude location in Google Ads? It could be distance and travel costs. Sometimes it might cost a little bit extra money to get to a particular location, to deliver in location, especially when it comes to like the UK and Northern Ireland issues, etc. You might want to just avoid this. It could be different laws or regulations, especially when it comes to different states. It could be higher operating costs in specific areas, like I mentioned when it comes to Northern Ireland. You might cater to a specific group. For example, you might just want it in a certain vicinity, and that's a reason why you might want to exclude it from a particular location. And that is kind of all the potential reasons why you want to do that. So to do this, all you need to do is go into one of your campaigns and then go onto the campaign settings. And once this has loaded up, you just want to scroll down and under other settings, once it loads, you will see locations. Locations is where you want to be, so click on that. And right now you might just have one location. For example, I've just got United Kingdom up here, but for this you want to click on enter another location. This is just so you can have your main location and you can also exclude other places using this. For example, let's say I want to do United Kingdom and maybe let's exclude Scotland for this case. So I'm going to go to United Kingdom and I'm going to include that. And to exclude a country, all you want to do is search for the place or the region. You see Scotland here, and then click on exclude. Don't click include, exclude. And then once that is done, you can click on save. Another way to do this, for example, if you want kind of like a map visualization, you can click on advanced search and you can zoom into a particular location like this. And then obviously let's choose United Kingdom, include, and let's exclude Scotland just to give you a nice little visual. And you can see it's like a kind of like a rough little estimate, but now it's excluding all around Scotland. There is also a radius option here, but you cannot exclude by radius. You can only include by radius, so I'm going to keep it off this tutorial. And once that is all done, just click on save. This is all done, but just before we finish, I always recommend to go on location options and click on presence rather than presence or interest. You will automatically be in presence or interest, but this just means, for example, if somebody has showed interest in the United Kingdom, they will see these ads even if they're based somewhere else, like Germany, let's say. And you don't really want these people, especially when it comes to like services and stuff, and they're too far afield. You don't want these people seeing your ad, so I recommend just click on presence when it comes to that. And once all done, just click on save. And that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I do loads of other Google Ads content that can really help you out. So feel free to check them out. Thank you.